I've been using Betterment and M1 Finance for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased comparison between the two. So let's dive in and find out which one is the right fit for you. Betterment is a pioneer in robo-advisory services with a focus on passive investing. It offers automated portfolio management, tax loss harvesting, and rebalancing. Betterment charges 0.25% annually for its digital plan with no account minimums and a fee of 0.4% for its premium plan, requiring a $100,000 minimum balance. Additionally, it supports features like cash management tools, goal tracking, and socially responsible investment options. It's ideal for users looking for hands-off investing with robust financial planning tools. M1 Finance, on the other hand, emphasizes customization. Investors can build their own portfolios or use pre-designed ones without management fees. However, accounts under $10,000 incur a $3 monthly platform fee unless certain conditions are met. Additionally, unique features like M1 Borrow and M1 Plus offering perks like custodial accounts and margin trading set it apart. Unlike Betterment, M1 lacks tax loss harvesting but compensates with fractional shares and flexibility in portfolio design. It's a better choice for hands-on investors seeking customization. Overall, both the platform has its strengths and trade-offs. So the key is to find the one that aligns with your financial objectives. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.